Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix site URL field, home field not showing WP option table in WordPress in PhpMyAdmin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in PhpMyAdmin and we are in WP option table, but we don't see site URL and home field in our table. Now you see, when we search home, you don't see any field selected. Now search site URL. Also you don't see site URL field. So we are going to find it. On top you see search. So click on it. Now loading. And then you see query. And then you see option name like. Now select here home. And then click on go. Now you see showing row, option ID, option name, home, and then you see option value. So this is our domain. So if you want, you can make edit or changes according to requirement. Again click on search and then you see option name again. So write here site URL and then click on go again. Again you see showing row, site URL option name. Again you see option value. So this is our domain. So you can make changes according to requirement in both fields. So by using search, you can find both fields, site URL and home in WP option table. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.